Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make an overlap gown. An overlap gown. You'll be needing your fabric, 2 yards or more, depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it, staple, scissors, tailor's chalk. Fold your fabric into two. Draft your basic gown bodies. Input your neck measurement of 3 inches width and 1 inch depth for back bodies. For the front, the neck measurement will be 3 inches width and 3.5 inches depth. Cut out the front and back bodies. Open the front bodies this way. Take your front bodies and draw a star line as seen here. Cut through the star line as seen here. You have something like this. Couple everything together to achieve something like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.